You know, there's more to life than scaring. Ooh. Hey, can I borrow your odorant?
Yeah, get smelly garbage or old dumpster.
You get low tide?
No.
How about wet dog?
Yep, stink it up.
You know, I am so romantic sometimes I think I should just marry myself.
Give me a break, Mike.
What a night of romance I got ahead of me. Tonight is about me and Celia. Ooh, the love boat is about to set sail. Cause I gotta tell you, buddy, that face of hers, it just makes my heart go.
Hello, Wazowski. Fun-filled evening planned for tonight?
Well, as a matter of fact.
And I'm sure you filed your paperwork correctly. For once. Your stunned silence is very reassuring.
Oh, no, my scare reports. I left them on my desk. If I'm not at the restaurant in 5 minutes, they're gonna give our table away. What am I gonna tell? Schmoopsy boo.
Hey, Googly Bear, want to get going?
Do I ever? It's just that, you know, there's a small...
I don't understand.
It's just that I forgot about some paperwork I was supposed to file. Mike was reminding me. Thanks, buddy. Whew.
I was? I was, yeah, I was.
Oh, okay, let's go then.
We're going. On my desk, Sully. The pink copies go to accounting, the future ones go to purchasing, and the goldenrod ones go to Roz. Leave the puce!
Pink copies go to accounting, the fuchsia ones go to Roz. No, the fuchsia ones go to purchasing, the goldenrod ones go to Roz. Man, I have no idea what puce is. Oh, that's puce. Hello? Anyone? There's a door here. Hello? Hey, psst. Anybody scaring in here? Hello? Yo.
Bucket.
Ah!